Looking for the best watch for counting steps that actually fits your lifestyle and budget? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload high-quality product videos every day to help you make smarter buying decisions. And today, we're breaking down the top step-counting watches you can trust for accuracy, comfort, and features. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 9 for tracking steps. Powered by the S9 chip, the Apple Watch Series 9 boasts not just a bright but a super bright display that improves visibility in all conditions. An innovative feature that allows you to interact without touching the screen adds a layer of magic and convenience, setting a new standard in smartwatch technology. Apple's commitment to health is made even more meaningful with advanced features designed to provide comprehensive health information. From monitoring blood oxygen levels and heart rate to the ability to take an ECG at any time, Series 9 is like having a personal health consultant on your wrist. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or taking your first steps toward an active lifestyle, the Apple Watch Series 9 will prove to be an indispensable ally. The workout app doesn't just track, it offers advanced metrics and a variety of workout methods to meet your unique fitness needs. Number 2. Garmin vivomove Sport for counting steps. The Garmin vivomove Sport is a hybrid smartwatch that perfectly combines the timeless appeal of a 40mm analog watch with the intelligent features of modern technology. With 5 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and an additional day in watch mode where the hands only show the time, vivomove Sport allows you to lead an active lifestyle without the constant need to recharge. Staying connected is easy with vivomove Sport. It ensures that you're always one step ahead by providing smart notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and calendar events when paired with your compatible smartphone. The vivomove Sport is not just a way to stay connected, it's also a way to better understand your body. Number 3. Amazfit Band 7 Fitness and Health Tracker Steps. The Amazfit Band 7 makes an impressive first impression with its large 1.47-inch HD AMOLED display with always-on functionality. Combined with a slim and lightweight body, this ensures that style and comfort are not compromised. Amazfit Band 7 is equipped with a 232 mAh battery that redefines efficiency. With an impressive array of more than 120 sports modes, Band 7 is your ticket to understanding and improving your athletic performance. Intelligent for-sport recognition allows you to get up and running quickly, ensuring that no part of your workout is overlooked. That 7 doesn't just track your fitness, it's a vigilant guardian of your health. It measures 3 of your most important health indicators: heart rate, blood oxygen content, and stress levels with a single tap, providing results in as little as 45 seconds. On. Number 4. Reson's COROS Pace 2 Sports Watch for counting steps. This lightweight champion doesn't compromise on performance, boasting impressive battery life, offering up to 20 days of regular use and 30 hours in full GPS mode, ensuring that your tracking doesn't stop until you stop. The watch offers many customizable workout modes, including interval, structured, triathlon, and strength training. Pace 2 is not just about tracking, it's about enhancing your workouts. It serves as your best training partner by planning your sessions, providing instant feedback, and diligently recording your efforts during your workouts. Whether you're running on pavement, cycling through the hills, diving in the pool, or practicing water sports, Pace 2 will keep you on track. Number 5. Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker Steps. The Fitbit Charge 6 is not just a step counter, it's a comprehensive fitness companion designed to motivate you to move more and move better. With over 40 exercise modes, built-in GPS, and active zone minutes, it ensures that every step you take is counted and every workout is measured with precision. The Fitbit Charge 6 understands that staying connected is crucial. With features like YouTube Music controls, Google Maps, and Google Wallet, it ensures that you're never out of sync with your daily life, even during your workouts. The Fitbit Charge 6 goes beyond physical fitness. With features like stress management score, nightly sleep score, on-wrist mindfulness sessions, smart wake alarm, and sleep and do not disturb modes, it attends to your mental well-being and sleep quality, making it a holistic health and fitness tracker.